I'ma keep winning, winning. I'ma keep winning.
I'm just minding my own.
I'ma keep winning, winning. You can try to save yourself, but you only gonna play yourself.
Here's the build setup on this 2019 Laramie Cummins. 35-inch Nitro Ridge Grappler tires wrapped around the all-new Vision Brawl wheel in a black and milled finish. This has a 2-inch rough country leveling kit. It gets you the spacer up front and rear and new shock. This truck overall, it's not really that much of a package price-wise, but it changed the truck drastically and looks way better than factory. In my opinion, this is the ideal setup to run on the Cummins 2019 up, the new body style. The leveling kit, wheel tire package really changes the look from a stock truck, but isn't too costly and makes the truck look badass.